Hello, I'm Nurse Sabine. You can call me Beanie. I am here tonight to take care of you. If you need anything, just let me know, okay? First, I will bring you a cup of tea. A nice hot cup of tea. That will do you good. Oh yeah? Of course we can do that. I will get you your nice warm bath ready. Oh sure, we've got really beautiful big enamel bathtubs. Yes, I will help you and wash you. It makes me nearly want to cry because you are so happy that you get a bath. I think that is really wonderful that we can help you. You will be very well taken care of. I will make sure of that. I will ask to have your bed made all fresh, the whitest sheets put on. So after your bath, it will be all nice and clean and ready, and I will make sure that everyone is quiet so you can get a good night's sleep. The doctor will come to check on you later. He asked me to tell you that. Yeah. Dr. Welchley will be here. Yes. He is a good man, a very good doctor. He has a heart for people, yeah, I know. Isn't he wonderful? Let's go. I will help you out of your bed and we go take a bath. You drank all your tea? Okay. Let's go. I hope you enjoyed it, my friends. Bye.